I have the CMF by Nothing Watch Pro 2, and I'm going to be showing you how to take photos with your watch. So you can actually use your watch as a remote for the camera app on your phone. And to do that, just go to the main menu by pressing the crown once, and then scroll and find the camera app. Okay, so these are all apps. So you have the camera remote app, tap on that. And as you can see, we have a shutter button here. Now, obviously, the camera or the phone will not launch the camera itself. You have to launch it manually. And now you can have the phone on a tripod or somewhere else. And then you can use your watch to remotely trigger the camera. So let's try and use the shutter button. And as you can see, that takes a photo. Okay, so let's try again. There you go. So the other thing you can do is use timer. So if you tap here, you have a 2-second timer, 5-second timer, and no timer. So let's try the 5-second timer. If you set it to 5 seconds like that and tap on the shutter, it's gonna give you the countdown. After the countdown, it's gonna take a photo. Okay, and that is basically how you can use your watch to take photos on your phone. Okay, thank you for watching and good luck.